We are here outside the Austrian Permanent Representation to the EU, where they have solar panels on their roof. Let's go hear their solar story.
There are several reasons for that, of course. One of them being to reduce our energy costs, quite frankly. Another one, of course, being the fact that we want to reduce our carbon footprint. So this is an important contribution to this. Solar energy has become more and more important over the last years. And looking forward, if we look towards our goals for 2030, which are to become 100% reliable on renewable energy sources for electricity back home, that's the target. Then, of course, we see huge potential within the solar and also wind, but a lot in solar as well to come to that target. Well, we have public buildings like this one, which have been adapted to solar energy over the last couple of years. For example, one very emblematic being the Vienna Town Hall, which is a historic building from the 19th century. There are 572 solar panels which have been installed on top of the roof in order to produce solar energy.
See, solar stories are everywhere, and each one is powering Europe's future. So, what's your solar story?